Welcome to Vim Tip of the Day, day number 21. Today, I wanted to talk to you about operators and motion. In video number 4, you learned the X command, which can delete a single character. So if I keep on typing X, that's what you would do. But you can also type in a number such as 20X, and that will delete the next 20 characters. Okay. I would like to talk to you about this DW command. DW is deletes a word. So I can do DW to delete a word. You can also do the for-W command. For-W command moves forward by 4 words. So I'm going to do for-W here. Okay. Let me demonstrate the next item on this line. So if I say for-W here, it moves to the word U. But if I go back and I type D for W, it deletes the next 4 words. Another example, the dollar command, if I do dollar here, it moves to the end of a line. So if you somewhere in this line and you say D $, it deletes to the end of the line. It's kind of cool. The caret command moves to the beginning of the line. So I'm going to move to the back. Now I hit caret. I'm going to move this keyboard here. Okay, just so you can see it. If I do caret, it moves to the beginning. If I do $, it moves to the end. So I'm somewhere in the middle of this line and I hit D caret. That deletes from where my cursor is to the beginning of the line. So there's the pattern here, operator and motion. You first type the operator command. For example, D is the delete operator. Then you type a motion command, such as 4L or W or $, or caret. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful.